How to make clove oil at home for fast hair growth, toothache, and other benefits. Did you know that this little spice could be the secret to longer, healthier hair? In this video, we will delve into the amazing benefits of clove oil and how it can help you. But before we dive into this, smash that subscribe button if you want more natural ways to look and feel better. This is a 2-ingredient remedy and it's easy to make. You can do it all by yourself. The first ingredient is cloves. This first step, you can do it in a mortar or a grinder. If you are using whole cloves, ensure that they are finely grounded. For centuries, cloves have been used to relieve toothache and gum pain. It acts as a natural anesthetic and has anti-inflammatory properties that has been beneficial for so many people across the world. Cloves also possess strong antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, helping to combat infections and support overall health. Cloves are also rich in antioxidants, which helps to strengthen the immune system and fight against stress. Cloves helps to detoxify the liver and protect it from oxidative stress, promoting better liver function. In addition to this, cloves may help to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes. Also, they are rich in manganese, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and overall skeletal health. Cloves also helps to boost libido, improving blood circulation and enhancing sexual function. In this video, we are using half cup of grounded cloves. Cloves also helps to reduce inflammation and pain. It promotes weight loss and aids digestion. The second ingredient that we'll be using is olive oil. We will be using 1 cup of olive oil. The next step is to pour the 1 cup of olive oil into a saucepan or pot. Olive oil hydrates and nourishes the skin, reducing dryness, irritation, and signs of aging. Olive oil is packed with vitamin E and also helps to reduce inflammation in the body. The next step is to add the half cup of finely grounded cloves to 1 cup of olive oil. Remember, what we are making is a potent clove oil that has amazing benefit for your hair, your skin, and your overall health and well-being. While doing this, ensure that you stir properly on medium heat until it starts to change color and texture. You turn it down to low heat. It is important to continue stirring to ensure that this formula is properly infused and that it does not burn. Here are some amazing benefits of clove oil. Number 1, it promotes hair growth. Clove oil stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, strengthens hair roots, and reduces hair loss, promoting thicker and healthier hair. Number 2, it relieves toothache. Eugenol, the primary compound in clove oil, acts as a natural anesthetic and anti-inflammatory agent, providing quick relief from toothache and gum pain. Number 3, it fights against infections. Clove oil has strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties, making it effective against infections such as athlete's foot and other skin infections. Number 4, it reduces inflammation in the joints and in the body. After our clove oil cools down, then we strain properly to ensure that we get as much of our potent oil as possible. The amazing thing about this oil is that you can apply it to your hair for better hair quality. You can apply it to your scalp to help with dandruff. You can apply it to your skin for better appearance. You can use it for your toothache. You can use it for your gum pain. You can also apply it to aching joints and sore muscles. And the best part about it all is that you can make this at home and you don't have to spend a lot of money to acquire this. The other thing about clove oil is that it can be used in natural mouthwashes, toothpaste to prevent bad breath, reduce gum inflammation, and fight harmful bacteria that cause cavities. If you have enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, comment below, I want more videos. Remember to also like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more natural ways for you to look and feel better. Just look at the potency of this oil. You can make it yourself at home with just 2 ingredients, cloves and olive oil. One love. Shalom.